Well, that's how bad we must say. Questions here that CPA 12 common so I'm saying non konobo pound minute eduno enuma. Yeah, that was so ajibre we share bedroom. But cause we share a Adom TV say on your papa Edemao, independent candidate for a year and Kranza North Atenase, Reverend Charles also Atenase, so na Dr. Benjamin Ochorin so on also or an advocate for Mother Ghana on also Atenase ewa say for the next minutes na day nimno Ghana home komo and EBD but my main house if the way no ewa Accra Digital Center Jumedi Shunku ayedi no sectoral debate no ye de bebrel na this time ye free power ye education ye health ye de roads and ebro so under the watch of the previous administration NDC akwan hodo mutimi ye ene so mu nya kwanya ba akwan hodo mu jiri so mitima ya ka de MPP amanyoko no so ye no ho sa na MPP so no akwan hodo mbeto ye de ne aye de enye ye de omutima ya ka ho ne ye ko enimi so more cross line na de almost mitima ye de account so it's going to be very interesting sectoral debate in eboa ma wotimi hu say we na ekoso sector by sector na aboa wa mana ye nyina so ama wotimi de ato aba ko party A or party B enti share so if you are there enemy Accra Digital Center 7 a.m. pepepe na in the Jumedi so e de abro kwansonko so pero man hene komna sante so chance akwaba
kwabra me yuso
constituency boko
constituency yamia darama
the last time me ba a techiman I think 3 weeks or
yes
necessarily me busa okra na I think it escaped me you know for president Obama what is it why they
anɔpɛ ma menkyia na menkyia atiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ hwɛ yɛwura John Dramani Mahama a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ɔmampani bi mu ɔne sɛ ɔmampani akonnwa no ɛyɛ sunsum ne honam adeɛ enti ɛnso ɛyɛ nyame asɔfoɔ mmerɛ bi ɛtwa mu na wohwɛ deɛ na yɛhu fa ne ho a na ɛnyɛ adeɛ a na nkɔbɛtumi abɛyɛ ɔmampani bi mu but onyame ɔhwɛ akoma mu ɔhwɛ deɛ nnipa hwɛ ɛnneɛma adane nema da ntina ne me on demonstration omoko yi minyaaya kra nka ama ne saa se eye nyame pɛ na so tim bɛ yɛ ɔmampani a menim de obetima ka fa register yɛ de ato aba no ebetima yɛ onyame pɛ so ebe se onyame pɛ nko na bɛ yɛ adwuma enti nura chi na obi pisam sɛ enti o yɛ sure sɛ Mahama betima bɛ president yes obetima bɛ president enokre obetima san ba biem sɛ yɛ awurade pɛ nko ade a obetimi asaba biem ba America kra na atwa mu kwabra na empire bokwan so wo hwɛ de na ɛwɔ wie mu pa na wo wie na adwuma ana nka on sign ba biem nanso enema sesa in fact ba me gina enema dane wo hwɛ de yɛda yɛ so ho da yɛ de yehu ɛwɔ empire bokwan so enema dane enti osan ba yɛ mampani bi ma anyamwa
enoma dane se na nipa bi nim susu se ontimi ma emetena ba nwa so biem ana enoma dane se onyame e de fem na 2025 7th January no ono na ekoso afnanim na ode ehwai
na kwasem egwo ni se sunsun di honam so enti ade bi esi honam fam bi esi sunsun mansa isi enti na se ye obi bi osunsun ma affect your life physically a wo ye ho hwe enyi sunsun mu na bibi esi na adeswa bi dada so a din say obetimi across the line so ba be your mampani bi but me no ka say won wani ne o ma o bom pa ya bi hu say saa de ni hobium na ke say ni hobium dia obetimi asan your mampani amana yi say ya awurade penko ade a obetimi asan your mampani
so de de ano kan de ano ye choro no nye eno nimuza and
shut down a carry weight and shut down carry weight, sir. I could not see no soon, we see no honor. Once it's established spiritually, say, you are Mahama Beba, and I you are Mahmoud Baumian Beba. We are here. The physical aspect of it, I answer your Kotoba. Until I now say a Kotoba, I'm your phone, your way, and I'm between him to because you see, a certain president that you are for the time, I know a president or person I buy twice. Olusu election to opposition party. Say it to 100 times crank you were male so president. He was ordained, not a conyansa. nti na enye abato no a ye to no run off ne hwan na betima nsesa enema enti wo say o mo time kra na MPP for kan so afiri o mo nko bi because already na yewura megos nyame de na sie akonya so da in fact 2016 yewura mahama te akonya so no opere election enti onu ankasa te akonya so na tumi hye ne nsa nyina no nanka obetimi goda ahodi mu de nko o tumi wa onam famu anka obetimi bibia ama ka osan tena akonya so akwabra so oye anyi and he even lost the elections and na be nsi yembe nso that time no wura ku for the akonya so da. Now God has ordained President Kufuor to say obey your mampeni. Inti de no hunam fam no e mata pa na mum aya na emu nyi dru nchen de esi wo sunsum fam. Inti na amanyofo no say omunim awurade de a nka first of all be consult to Nyankopon. Ahwe de onyame wo ye ma wo. Na de tosi miedu de nyame de ama wo no wabɔ ho ban na obi anye amfiri wo nsam. Ka to da Nyankopon tim de bibi ma obi. Na wa ye hwe han. Eni be ba no say de korɛ den. Efiri nsem tize wo ka che ubisa mse o mampani mahama ebetimi asan ababi ma be o mampani a menyi ochiye eye onyame penko ade a obetumi asan ababi sa anye onyame pa na ke so ntimi medi president.
I see.
What do you make answer?
Well, a bit confusing because spiritual matters cannot be understood by just normal brains. Oh yeah, PhD who the cry. Sometimes matters of spirituality and kwasem any mouse I didn't okay. So I say, oh, he never could get in 7 times. Me, oh, he more. Now, you know, you know, I will not challenge you much on those things.
Kopra Daniel. Anema dane, anema gususu dane.
Enyoma dane. Itimi dane ko ba bia.
Ten dane ko bia, na gususu dane. Anema dane, gususu dane. Entina se bibi ne si wani so so ya. Na wo hye mpai boma. Unyai da ko penso be wie.
Se bibi esi wani so na odo ho hye mpai boma. Unyai da.
No,
ko pem se nkunidi ne
be ba ansa. Because you see, ade bia ye aprapre bia no.
We when
ha say one more ni ana ho so a
bako be
kontem jaw entina bible can say the ye ni so gina ho no onhwe yi na wahwe ase so obi timi hwe ase anya de oda fam so timi sori gina ho ide e ma ne yi
the king ni ebe na pra
asam no on say na no so trust them say Jacob any Esau on papa Isaac e ka kire Esau say e wo mse me di nhira na ma wunu ekuma na dada na mbom se obetimi akantene wo ho a keka wo ho a adeso na da wa beti a eni nti wunya nhira na betimi afiri ho akọ indeed church my tell say eso eye successful oyeyi ankasa nti ye betimi aka to ho say kwabra onyeyi da ye betimi aka to say wo untu kwan da ye betimi aka to say wo
unsifie wo da
na mbom se umma wani brea sa ade na ye de ato so no e be free ho
so e be to so na abeye ade bi da so
limited e kan wo hye
if you oba bia no obetima ware at age 25 da
sure and then tina wo ha obitimi ekọ ohaw bi ma woti ase enyiye ye won yema miensa na wo wiase ye wo de wankasa wo suban de ohaw bi betimi de abrawo ene ye wo de obonefo na ahyehye ne wo de nyamenim hu bi de nyamenim hu bi no wo ye ho hwe enyiye gise Nyankopon pam enti de wo ya de fonso aba na wotimi sachire fi hu de obonefo no so de to so no okonyame anim anyame timi boy fi ho ba de nyame ankasa nim hu bi na de aje wo no ankasa because obi wo ha o how bi nyame beba aba wo so no sa how no de wo konkoni de mu enti ode arapo aise kube na ode
obebube wie na insuru
enti ode ade na ya
ba wo body enye market wo kwa be twa za no
of course enti some of the things you say o 200 amount physical down ade we de me nyam fonso bia afi obo ho mpa ya na hu se ade no enko a koye ready anim na bi san se ora onim hu bia na se nyame nim hu bia na ka se e to your own good enti da ora na decide na den aba but the da usu bia wo ba nya botre akonyankopon nim bia no nyame tumi yi free ho e ma na yi enti enya me nwanwa se ye beto aba ewie no se yewura mahama se ye ewura de pe so obesan ba bi ma no otimi san ba president bi ma enyem nwa because to me nyina ye nyame dia se o se yewura mahama emaye bi na yewura mamudu ba wian so ba president a se onyankopon na o den ni se o ma president eno so ye ho hwe den enye yi ti akonya de ba bia metisi se ametima catch o se kwabra it is settled me de be nipa obedi akonya no it is settled say 2024 the onyame be si de hene no wasi awie the aka nyina ya de nipa ya prepare ho eden aye come 7 December on the 8th to by 9th December no now he's declared I see it's sealed and it's
say ye ko back to nyame no na obkohwe akoma mu no na oye mobruhufo no insachara bi ekra ntimi ma
da bi kobra onyame pese odi leader ba onhwe nipa de nipa hwe ohwe akom
onhwe de wo hwe
no enti you might judge someone wrongly enti nyankopon aka se atemu wo no nyame nsem ye yetimi yi aten ba on se wi ase ye bu nipa aten ene yetim de bibi susu o man commerçant on de kwa yi so MPP ni o ye so NDC ni o kwabra corrupt we say but the enti a ukoso nyina se o akoma bi wo mu a eni nyame na nyame ahwe sa akoma no so di nipa ka fa hono nyame hu ye akoma na wo hwe e be o dey bless you ko it is a person who die wasase so o person onya nkwatenten wasase so ade bi a wo hwehwe bia no nya akoma papa ma eurade do hwe wakoma so na wo do be see
doka kwaba
we nyame ahwe de ba na akoma ni ba wo be dey president na akoma ntina nyame de
doka kwaba
ya nua
oh the doctor was the academics you know omo ba academia for no on be calculate say aka say yensu ye poll yensu akoye no in fact this morning me rested obi so dey poll bi a one of our security agencies ni be no investigative bodies no aye na or the chire maybe afterwards I'll preview you to but otie dey the physical eka na otie the spiritual eka na dey how do say ebo ebra o de kodi adusuafo no so eka na hwe de honhom no so ka o do say ebo ebra ti wo from academia minim say we a combination of the spirit world and academia there o go be different but you strictly academia there oh but ye honhom fu ti bara go be
that's enema bi wo ha se onni ho nimdia na onni ho tumi a ana ne ka yedi na mum media meginya medi niema bi tumi sisi wo nipa brabom ke abrantie bi a last year na obi ka kire se wo enche wo no hire ba akwatena brochiro se me di soja e wo ha na me yede akwatena brochiro o so me se asagura yeso omukoye exams ese nipa be ne wo ho on e number 2 me no kasa sesi ya oko onene yire anyina atu akwata na UK
do nyamitimi ye
ebetumi yesi na nka me personal life is a living testimony because 14 and I'm papa free I struggled to pay my school fees. Na say na to meet you school fees a nyame na do. Nyame ma e den pen. E tumi pam school fees na omo a etu ya deda no na omo ne ye kofie. Momo koye de opentema kofie keke obeso kofie. Ba ye no kofie no nim ni awo ba bi a kofa ska kora wonim. So nyame na dum kakra. Ebenezer. Enti abato ni ade edu ba bi because me a Christian, we can only draw inspiration from the gospel. Say, nyamisi obi hine, say, we ya pesi adene o si debi, we de onka ho. Ya kofa ne mani nyina ba, say, na o mani nyina ni, say akaketo akra.
O de onka nkra.
Wo do debi, ono say edi ahene edi a. Ono kra o hwe moa so onwuro, say kofa no bra. Ono na nyame e de akonwa no ma no. Enti dwendwene ho sa de a, ye betumi aka say niema munya onse wi asistu bibi tumisi na obi bewu na o se awurade nka hwe minyuma amaye na fa me bone che me na ma me onyame Simon 15 years na nka se so God had said it but nyame na san hu ne mobo
yakoma no ninyuma pa
no Simon 15 years o ka Bible ni ye kura ni 15 years no the latter part no we ni years a tora bia na Yankopon nim se won ka utwa so sisi ya nka ye
problem bia ni ho
but o ka ko anima ye be ha nyame sa enti hwegana ha nsuo to a yesu kire awurade because flooding beba show ba na mfuturo ba so yesu nti nyame onye yeden enti abato on de yebeto yempe nipa ba ko pe nti na akonya ne ba ko no nipa ba ko pe ne yeden betena akonya ne so afenema esai na so ebeba be sum yie anase on sum yie se Nebukadnezar be sum yie ana on sum yie ni nyina Nyankopon accept.
Okay, so baby I didn't mean not just say yeah counted down to elections about to komana ye did na be gina brane year na entiase any opepan ni odo ayede wo mo man no na e be gina brane so a enko gina eye won na ye amanyofo na kandifo no nko a gina ye adehia wo man nim nyina so nti ye mfa we enhyase minim se kofi betima boy kakra na ka the video na to a sa machines there by drip equipment na no da ye nuanu mu a mo Gomua West minim se mo se ye de sa machines no eko sa bia honom no na mampanyi any member of parliament infonyini efenfam sa mfidie ne hono na afanu no mekire amanyuku a woni wo anim pa no akansi ani ebi afa asikan ebi afa abo ebi didi atem ebi ye popo nti se fo no be yaman but me ka mo say nti me bisa mo say when so ka yamanya sabne ho ana what should be the ideal thing to be done in matters of this in terms of mfonyinia
the idea me say drip machines ya oman na japade oman no entina yentumi nkofa sisi a Dr. Baumia ejina wa MPP dim MPP na edi akonwa no yentumi nfa Dr. Baumia ne poster enkotare Jubilee House ho because honya MPP dia oman ne dia the seat of government ti wo hwa Christ the king enim ho billboard ho a Dr. Baumia ne picture boso ene ya billboard a commercial person ena aya yaji huska nti drip no ye oman ne japade a yentumi nkofa enkanka ne parliamentary candidate ho ne picture ye do mapanyin de bo ho kra me I have no problem because no need leadership any at all I have no problem more so he's not contesting ne mum ye de parliamentary candidate de ko bo ho de a entwa ye it is not right no na ni nyina achi no se enye no ekwan be na sese ye fa so me ho hia me pa enye bibia na sebe ye kwatwe sika ye o ebi bia ne afadua wo kwabena hwe se wubufu oma wakoma di wadwene mu kan a woni beba ho so no na nipa ato nso nipa nye sebe ka ataya adwo aye kopompe nipa wu awu nti yema from now to say December 15th no yema akoma nam kofom kakra yemu bi aya akoma no huru obi bu ofu a mo twa hwe bi da wo obi ni bu ofusa do twahwe bra oko na sebe omo aya eye akakabensem ne kuti gu omo ye haja no wonu se omo wini election omo kura mpo na yenkayo omo mpo na yenkayo mo
abato nkunim ye ni ba
oh yes ye ba be say wo certificate way the best I will bet you ya pe na Adom baby ana say sabio mpani mo ni mo ade enche ya pe public toilet bi ni de ato ano say wo na obehwe so. What is your capacity? Then I bet you 5 ministers I won't qualify. Says here, President Mahama 60, President Dr. Baumia 50. Now, your chair 88, 120, 50 now be yabi. Your chair, President Kufa, or Boyabo 125 ministers. When yabi, despite all your qualification, your dedication, Bibia, when yabi. Now, about 50 now be yabi. Ain't I would try. Etoda anye nyina na ebenya tumi no bi enya mu di brede ne mu se obi ba bedi akonwa na niema mu hare yen a ye nyina obi benya so mfa so ye nya botre sa mafa dua mafa boba mafa sekan ne de ha na o se police wo mo ni da ho pa because nipa ni bi o ha o man onim se nipa ni bi o ha adwumbo ne woni trim de dawo na mum o sheda de afa politics so
no de tu sa na mo
no de tu sa na mo no
okay so okay TV ni so a NDC amanyuku no unim so mu yi Ghana fo nyina aso tire se na me adma ne benada 17th the electoral commission for no maybe omugidi so omo ye no omugidi se nya ne kwan so no nti ibere na so wo hwe mfonya aposifo ene NDC achitaifo ene adofo Afrina ombedi nkomo ama aposifo acho on there so nti quickly na zamba back to studio.
Because of that.
Okay, so body cam insecurity operations are for evidential purposes to gather evidence about what all of us are doing here. It's also a means of protecting people because, as you know, what cameras can do. So it is just an extra layer of our security to ensure a successful deployment. Thank you.
What measures are you going to take to de-escalate any potential situation that may happen?
As part of our preparation for the ground, all our officers have been oriented on de-escalation mindset, and that is what we are here. Remember, our objective is one, that throughout the exercise and to the end, security, law, and order will be ensured. Thank you.
And then finally, we heard from a group fixing the country, and another group, they had put out a notice that they were also going to organize a counter-protest. We want to find out what has happened to them.
From what I understand, that demonstration, the organizers have agreed to put it on hold for now. Thank you so much. Let me take a moment to do the tree. Yes, since yaba ni dudu mu pa na yambota ne sen ene demonstration ya NDC for organize organizers so demonstrators so behwe ade fu se ne be ya obi ahu enkoto chimanti police aba ye be ma bambo a edi mu se ne be ya Ebeweni ehu sampa Ghana democracy ayeka say yeye no ya so mu ba na yeye ne so na police so yeye ya afemu de ye da mwase nti ye wa ha ye ne mu wa ha bibia ni a emreti antiemu no ye besa na emodi nkita ho nya me nhira mo nyina ye da mwase.
So you just heard from the Director of Public Affairs of the Ghana Police Service, Grace Ansakofi, giving us.
Saba, oh, I love this policewoman. The way I was here, can say much which is a welcoming and very accommodating.
This time round,
yeah,
yeah. In fact, yeah, police for not acting very well. Now, a bomb pie said, "I'm on your phone to be the same." Yeah, yes. Papa, we and be a ehu. And me, I'm on your phone. Omo we are. They have been conform good each. Okay, brand here and then they call let my vote count. Yes. And any back or the irony cool. It is a wood here, demonstration. We are just part of the demonstration, said Dr. Kine. Leaders don't go trouble. I didn't tell the HL trouble. So leaders didn't go the attempt, I don't know what could the attempt. Because you see, Cobra, on my will be Ghana. MPP in opposition, 2009 up to 2016. I didn't man come for electoral commission form. Me collect my vote count to be for register. NDC for defend it. E mo mu defend credit na kese o odi go mebu na mu. Kan ya ma yewura mahama ko kan bi kra say e ye tactics a e old tactics that. So obi person lose obi be lose election. And o shada de niam akọ hyenkofo.
Baba we mentanye we ma misa reverence o na ye oye politics. Minum ye ne ye nya bi. Den ti na be ma so obi wo government and obi aban a na yis be bia o defend it obi opposition and we have seen it on these both sides obi opposition be bia is be bia nye adentra
2 minutes 2 minutes here
so opposition now who say electoral commission here bonsam
yes
the same group ni yensisa here no ba aban mu a omo ye holy
ntina make say me nya ya nka omo anko de omo ye omo say 2016 and some I can me ka ho bi me di ho for if I union by Charlotte soon. And then this is for the same thing for Jane. Yet, we are union by Charlotte, and I declare Rockefeller as the president elect. I think could be it is also could be a city. Yes, here, the new wedding, a coffee. Because of Sema Hodwa, you can't. So that you can't electoral commission for also to be money. So I want to be banning this for this year. Because when you're backing, I'm buying a testimony for the Chechiri, the MPP Nibiati, how the can as of electoral commission 100%. Said the NDC for can 77, a name rebium and fact quite BM. But what they were saying in 2016, now if I'm a council, and I am a comedy. Emma, it defend you more cancel Ah, okay, say you nua ba Charlotte or ba Joy use fire. Abukas be 3 na den ba. It's a yana war be koso ana. Sana Jane nami e this secret di nachi. Because you threaten o do. Na ye two obeti say na you John Dramani Mahama wini a. Obedi claim.
Ono no go declare.
So you say, Kwabra obi etimi wi abem Ghana ha.
Ono no go declare.
Me say, take it from me. Abe wi mu bia ni Ghana ha. Abe wi mu bia ni Ghana ha. See, when you have no, when you have a president out here all pay re-election, security apparatus sharing everything at this I will lose election. What are you talking about?
Say to me be over.
And to me, I'm conforming to say, you say, yeah, hand over. Oh, yeah, why? What's your wine house? Who be James?
Donald Trump, so
who say who James? Oh, I'm going to pack your name because. You see, about both said in Suabo Ubino. To be with you, Obia Lusu Power 2024.
John and a dozen.
You're a Kufado. Say you're about Mia, the Bear president. Nancy Ovinia. Obia to me a over to say you're a Mahama so Vinia. Obia to me your focal. Say, may you hand you over, now you hand you over much messy and even say, I don't get Casanoka. So the one we need, who we need the hour hand over. If MPP wins the election. Why should they hand over to NDC? Why will lose crowds hand over? I mean, I'm a winner. But if NDC wins the power, MPP has no option. I may say, I need a 24 hours. I'm get to say, Nagana Odia. Ghana or Ababidia. And see, Sanima, we are no. Your detention Kakeba. No, you may be about them. Says here, will be a DCKC. No one does $1 no cost out. Obiye de sika sie because the o sika or your business am sika abako
osro de
ko mo threaten and na han we say the beba and na de beba na han na beba ntino people feel say ye koye niam ye sika ko hye niam business mo na say asem ko ba
o bi ntwa no nti say for you na ba susu asante mantem ye bankramantem see asante mantem so de na
yeah I think it's all over the country
yeah 16 in
yeah region in
nti asante mantem so
it being said that but this is the first year but NDC for I'm waiting say nyame pena say am pass some na beba na some win election you be tie do make can for register na ye dey koto aba no because you know about Charlotte am a new voter register akobra dey koto aba na ye reku for the win here okay o win here ye wi actually obi am can register no asem biem ye na na do win here no obi am can register no asem biem
e no come on na me do asem pa me say ye nim ye pe
yeah
because ye nye principle
yes
ana interest na serve no enyo mine interest eye ankra na party interest na doctor age na as a independent presidential candidate mean doctor kwa be didi wo it is enu ne de nam
kwabra yeso amanyuko yenso mamman amanyuko ne yeso
so say obibia yeguso there's something that we are grossing over onim say you can electoral commissioners na nkasa o me say 7 and 5 7 electoral commission na nkasa commissioners no omo ahe na ye polling agents nipa na ebe wi abam na o behwe mo obi awi abam no obi tumi ka say na me wofa say auto aba 7 eye nkofo na electoral commission afa omo a omo ye adwuma na omo di science and money no ye ntwe oma so that is where the issue is empese ebeka
sorry bibusa no
ye punish up yes why illegal transfers ya ye ne den
or police stations say me no bisa say there were enough stiffer punishment for obi ebe engage
that is why the conversation should be ni onu akowiem
na ebe deterrent enough say
obi engage in the service can who say a lot of these workers no omunye permanent
because some over 200,000 not permanent workers
omunye permanent casual no obeye obi anu agiri sika na okọ nti say ebetua ne 1,005 no obi say obema no 20,000 ene ofa ho no odi 7 se hunu ye chi o ma ye ntwe o ma so because ye be wiem a obehwe na o kai say obi ka 2070 na Accra ha no kai was it in Accra the various polling stations na nkofo abom trim po say one of the election o kai say na President Kufuor na da number 1 na omo tinity free ho omo ti ono na omo de ni aka na ma nkofo akoto aban such people what do we do what in wasem nipa no yes ade ogomu awon ye ni dey
bofa so
Aha, nti ya ma ya adwene anko hɔ a you see we always want to whitewash the issue ne akata so obi atumi wi abam but bi so hwɛ mo obi wi abam obi ne ye wo yi nani wo not hɔ ne ɔmo ye nyina ɛmfa no ho san konfo no de ne ye yom ya ma ɔma sign pact bi a kyɛ sɛ wo kɔ ye we undertaking ɛnam wo so na bibi saa si a yɛnya wo den na wa sign edu hɔ we nka ye fast track me boa na ka kom mo nyina agum ba ye ja o mo saa se se bi ono to obi a teacher obi a Messi obi a we he minim Togoni me I'm saying this on TV Togoni a o Ghana wa no abetra Ghana be trade a they say oya adwuma electoral commission I am saying it Togolese obetra Ghana ha be ye adwuma o trade oya adwuma ma electoral commission checks ben ye ansa na appoint sanko for no to work for the EC. There must be a root cause of some of these mishaps. It is sabi young of Obia Keke. Emma Nemetra ho na send me a president of Ghana. It me appointing Kofo. Obi Oha president Odim sa a recommendation. Near appoint to BDC president Odim all this is in Ghana. That is a joke. President Odim all CEOs in the deputy in Ghana. It is an electoral commission penny for I had to become electoral commissioner. We are getting it wrong.
Electoral commission pay for.
They are electoral commissioners. It's not one. We only have the chairperson of the electoral commission. But I say the electoral commissioner, now more refer to Jane. No. They are all commissioners. Name the chairperson. And the chairperson to me who sabi obi a no or kronfo and now abon trimu poso be di bone. Name your mom temporary appointment. Or no say honor sabi or de kwa kofa no conduit. No dia ko din se huna ye choma ye choma.
All right, doc, here come so whilst here Korobe Jina Kumasi kakra ashe for just 1 minute or less than 30 seconds now e across the call a game pack for ya ba so for Adam say ana Dr. Benjamin Ochre so Adam say then we can talk about other matters e dey rapport up jumede ye kwaba but Jina Kumasi preparation towards NDC wono NTC ana maintain what demonstration or EC offices in we are back to the studios. We have 10 minutes to wrap up. We have 10 minutes to wrap up. We have for 5-5. Then we cross over to Circle NDC for Yechena 1 year. I mean, Dance Travels and a multimedia group. No, Yakesi 2024 Bank Trade Summit. No, they brought. The aim is to empower businesses and opening doors to international trade opportunities in Turkey and Dubai. A free 25th October, copy November 5, 2024. Shannon, so we never Badwam who Numa room for now who comes our bit me at the year or Juman water a year Ushim. When it is Uncle who MG on their dance travels, a carbon with Bank, a Bank Trade Summit now. Frey 0270302245 or 0261513534 or 0266074379 and 0261513435. Bank forward together. Number say best brain publications so the ngoma mako be nsia ba bontin one books naka approved in your citizenship the Kasafa critical thinking and problem solving, digital literacy, collaboration, communication, student leadership, creativity and imagination. For 0507 200 and 0504 200-300. No, it's one Akasa. Best brain publication tomorrow, education today. Dr. Benjamin Ochre, Sasna, soft pain, Charles Usunso. I want to say, Kai was in Krasanos, we can be a no Kai, and the baby. For Techiman and Muzampa, and the baby. And don't more the buy.
Techiman, Krunankasa Hoka.
There be not say, Koya could see no. It's a Viano at the Hada, MPP bad dry, NDC bad drive there. You better at the baby. That's all. And so for
Peace FM or News.
Yeah.
Now, I'm sure I'm constituency watch.
Constituency watch.
I mean, maybe because I radio.
Yeah.
See, so for be about or cannot crepa. Wow.
The baby. Oh, the support your massive.
And politics, no. Everybody be ha nipa ntiase. Nipa ho adwuma o.
Yeah.
Na at least me say my year student politics all the way to the graduate level. Na obehu say in politics dogs are more honest than human beings.
In politics.
Yes.
In crime won't for so
in crime e can no they are more honest. Yes, so when the crime so that no pa. Now so ne ko afum na so wa bre na onko wasan. Ubo say crime na wasan na okwe. Dem mom nipa de na komom ne trim no wasan. Nso odi wachi ni obedi enti. Oda won we yentoma no. But where you find people genuinely can say chasos waka no kre. You better about me. Say there must be something. Oh yeah, me catch me ni say ojire no ho. Now ni onni nipa ho enkita hodie no as I say ekoso na ekọ nanim. Ma nipa who say you feel a part of them, they feel a part of you. Ba sabe we do baby na gan nani a wako school kakra mo me no nani na mfitire ya manem ko baby 1 year 2 years you say what una akasa no wa say free me so enti ya hwia kwan ya fa so ayen komodie ye koto aba ye mfa nhye yetrim adwenkyere se mi fi ha ko oboase a mitumi fa mankesim fosu mankesim na makodu oboase etoda mitumi ko kumase ansa na makọ oboase ni nyina one destination ni opese obesum bia no obese obesum oman no nemu ekwan no na bia ebe ye soronko eno nkire se sebi wo kwan ne nye enti meme kwan ne ye papa who even determines nyan de papa until so obeye me hu se papa na obi antumi hu enti enne bi wo ha on supporto ba ochina nipa ne betumi an supporto enti ye hwe ye kasa yie hwe abrantie ye a ye bo ne din se me kan di be ma emre bi atwam otwa Donald Trump twa no American politics and Trump nasa wasa ko fa ne so me ne running mate read the stories you'll be surprised say such a person but America no omote ase enra entina I am happy when I see Ken me penasa I just love him only say me need share one on one.
Oh okay.
He sent people to call me manko because me say me penasa a genuine love not because of any other thing. Now, say Ken ekodi ba omiechia. No one say politics. It's not about enmity. Different choices and different decisions at different times. Enti ene onu obi nya adwene. Enkodi obi atemo. Nipa ni wini to me. Na wo hia na mo to me nko.
One wa block ho.
One wa block ho. Enti yenhwe ye kasa yie, kasa ntwi, atenie, obi wo ho a sebe. O men be bia o in all spheres of life. Politics enti okodi na atema. Why Bible said the word janu. That's the only commandment with a promise. Now some we hear Papa Paimu Jina way, Papa Paimu, what can I say? Who did not tell them ma in Obi or crown or fast for any mouth any sale. And so politics in T Sabio, no across Casamua, no atra. You may disagree with people. Galamsey fight. And Yamami Galamsey fight. President Kufuor has failed. There's no argument about it. He has failed. Making Accra the cleanest city in Africa was a hifa. He has failed. Eno wanyadi wa mono homodi. Eno nkyere se sebio me to me nkasa ade a oye no wanyadi ana wa mono betimi aka. Na mu se mekasa mama no atia no nyame mpagu.
Okay, doc. That's it. Reverend.
Nyame yadoma bodom women's wing oho.
Okay. Aya bodom.
Kwesiada ye connegrity omo. Am se me campaign akoye community based. And I make me assess me chances. And because communities in electoral areas are true about and you because I idea who say a so yamiania any person ever saw drip or can't be kakra.
Yeah.
Mimi fee say I the papa buying us one day, but you Mahama can't be. I who here papa, but I'm on your same tibia I'm serious. Cobra machines na idea called district level. So we move excavators here here loader to a certain areas because excavating in fact so enko. In the maintenance and management are very key. As for politics of it there, and then maybe constituency say parliamentary candidate. I want you a member of parliament or the post is at that which I have seen it. And we never and you who Mamma come talk. It's empel.
Wahunuma.
Wahunuma lecture.
And a pel swipe.
Why pel?
Two sika dime crying.
Would him say me I'm going less posters or grandson of. I feel I'm able posters. We need one signpost and I said billboard. But me was reaching a winner.
Adetina, as I said, will be the Sika, Echo poster, no, because why?
Yes, because switching winner. Because you know, I get poster some, and then you be born a day. As some, it's you obey the poster, Kotare, Mamma go Trisikai, and Kukum, and quite the enemy Bassa. The more ye know, Munkofum. Makabi be the Canada Pong, a catch. When you said, Makabi said 2008 chat, and now 2024. So the MPP year on campaign 2018.
Aviator and as a chat.
And I saw to be me because you see, Sa no more yet.
So me join a series can take as a 18 is a rubber.
But what tests the resilience of that democracy is our ability to fight the tyrant and defeat him and install democracy once again. From 1992. It is today that our democracy is being subjected with the test, and we shall prevail. Democracy lovers shall prevail. Elections alone does not guarantee democracy. It is democratic-minded persons, democratic-minded citizens who are ready to fight for their rights who can guarantee democracy. Once upon a time, when this country was under colonialism, our leaders like Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Sergeant Ajete, Corporal Tipo, they got up and decided to fight so that those of us living now can live in peace. Therefore, some people died, but that is the reason why we are living today. And so today is our time. We must not let our ancestors down. We must not let our future generations down. It is our time to fight. What we are doing is to prevent war in this country. If you want to prevent war, you fight to remove everything that has the tendency to generate into war. Please, there is no option. There is no sitting on the fence. If you sit on the fence today and allow conflict to mature into war, you will be conscripted into the army to fight and die. So instead of waiting for war to break, for you to be conscripted to go and fight and die, fight now against the elements that are generating the conflict. So we are ready to fight. We are ready to fight. So we ask not for any big favor. We are not asking for a favor for Electoral Commission or Nana Akufo-Addo or Bawumia. We are demanding our right to free and fair elections. So we are warning them. Today is only the beginning. If they think that after the demonstration, everybody will go to sleep if they don't accede to the request, they are joking. Today is just the beginning. And that is why we have restricted this demonstration to regional offices. The next demonstration will go to district and constituency offices of the Electoral Commission. And we will fight and fight and fight till the right thing is done. Thank you very much for your smart turnout. I want to believe that we can now begin the march. The march is beginning, and we are marching for victory. We are marching to save our country. It is now or never. There is no sitting on the fence. You are either part of the problem or you are part of the solution. Let every youth, unemployed youth in this country get up and let us fight to save our country. Let us fight to save our economy. Let us fight to save the lives of numerous Ghanaians who cannot walk, who cannot come out. But we are here today. We are going to fight. And we will fight and fight and fight till the right thing is done. And we want to send a message. We want to send a message to to those who pretend to be peace-loving. If you pretend to be peace-loving and you are condoning wrongdoing, you are actually the one who is brooding conflict in this country. Those who want peace must prepare and fight against the elements that will bring disruption in the country. That is why we are ready to fight against the element that will disturb our democracy.
Okay, so we circle declaration. General Asiedu Nketia, chairman for the NDC, and non what didn't say my tour. I see 8 hours. Say electoral commission for Adwene say we no we are and yes sanity omo free regional say still omo district omo free district omo constituency nti etu omo say akopem say de omo open omo sa ebeka o say e bia mato afede ogidi say ba bia mo tiri free ye Ghana nyina no obi a hwase na onanti na onkyere say yisi ye ne monya adwo mo na mo ntobi omo tutu
we beauty of democracy kabi mamin kabi efedo enye ma no de kasa o de microphone enti asem o mbeka nyina na o mokan me minim se de nyina de kenken kwa enkosi hu entim sesa hwe register na e wo hosa no o mbewie na o mo nsem o mokan nyina na electoral commission for aye ho adwuma MPP said same thing o mkan sa baby eje de kwato aba no nkunim die ba mo enti me bompa e said o ma starting kama kan e bewie echi no basa e bie de enkonkoba na adehye ko nyina bebe fie kroje aba ye beto no ye nyame pe so odi nkunimdi ema no sa nyame no odi be mani pa
Reverend Mame Nasi na me da Benjamin Ochirasi
me nua ba ko efe ya wagye ya obin agye obibie ni o so o hwe ya no pe
ya obin me nyesho so o ya illegal miner
Debbie
me nyesho
ono excavator operator
excavator operator ya obin agye Yao obin
eje
Africa America America. Have a nice day.